Hi guys, welcome to Heartfelt Motivation, and this is episode number 3. Thank you so much for the continued support, and thank you so much for the subscriptions and the comments, and thank you so much for just being there. So today let's talk on something else. You see, in this life we live, we have three kinds of people. We have the number one team that make things happen. The second team is those who see things happen, and the third group is of those who don't even know what happened. So the issue nowadays is that we have men who see things as they are and ask why, whilst we also have another group of people who see things as they are and make things happen and ask why not. You see, my message today is make things happen in your life, right? We have had so many challenges of people who just say things, but they do not put action to each and everything that they say. Complaining, ladies and gentlemen, does not change your tomorrow. Complaining, ladies and gentlemen, does not change you into a better person. You can be complaining, but that won't change who you are, right? So what you need to do is you have to make action in your life. So the key things that makes people not want to take any action or make things happen in their life. We have so many people. Now we have so many things. Number one thing, it is fear. Fear of what people are going to say. Fear of what people are going to do. Fear of what will happen, of what the results will be. But let me tell you this, you got nothing to fear in life. Those who fear the most, they don't do anything in life. But all you have to do, you have to substitute fear with faith. That you have to be faith. You have to have faith that I'm going to do it. No matter what, no matter how long it takes, and no matter how hard it's going to be, I'm going to be having faith that I'm going to do it. Sometimes you don't have to see the whole staircase, but you just have to take the first step in faith, and you will see the whole staircase later. You know, life is on its own is like a journey. You only see a kilometer by kilometer, and the rest avails as you go on. So you don't have to fear about anything in life. Number two thing, it is the power of association. The people who you spend most of your time with, they determine who you are and what you're gonna be in your life. So let me tell you this: if you want to make things happen in your life, make sure the people that are around you, there are people who see for you, people who have a vision. Be surrounded with the people who even see for you, even if you don't see for yourself. People who believe in you, people who motivate you. Right? Because for some time in your life, you're going to face those things, those days when you're below. But those people, they're going to be your personal motivators. They're going to be motivating you. You get me? So number three thing that you need to do also is procrastination. I talked about procrastination on my previous videos, that you don't have to procrastinate. Procrastination is the thief of time. If you want to be successful in life, stop procrastinating and make things happen. Right? Don't count on things. If you have thought of an idea, go for it, pursue it, and make sure you make it a reality. Right? Number four thing that you need to make sure of, if you want to do with making things happen, it is to be less talkative and to be a person of more action. Guys, so many people have come this earth and they've left no trail that they've existed on this earth. Why? Because what they did was they only talked and talked and talked without putting action into each and everything. A wish, right, without action becomes a wish, but a wish with action becomes a goal. So let me tell you this: goals are made when you start putting action into things. Don't just speak things without putting action into it. Right? We have so many people, they speak things, but they don't put action into things. If you want to be successful and make things happen in your life, make sure you put action into things. So when you plan your things, I didn't say don't plan, I didn't say don't do anything, but when you plan your things, make sure after planning, you go towards action. Right? I'm tired of people telling me, oh, say, I think I'm going to do this, but what is your action? After saying it, what is the action? What action have you taken after that? So make sure, guys, make sure you are an action maker, right? Action makers are people who have changed the world to be what it is today. People who take action are the ones who have made the world a better place, that we will have whatever technology that we have today. Whatever that we have today, it is because of the people who knew that they need to take action where necessary and where possible. So my advice today on Heartfelt Motivation today, it is that you take action. Take action. At the most, when things are hard, take action. And when I talk about taking action, it means taking the most best effective manner, the most best effective way you can ever do to be successful. Right? Complaining doesn't change anything. The reason why so many people are poor, it is because we got anger in us, and we have been blinded. Let me tell you this: complaining a lot about the economy, complaining a lot about the situation or the life, your poverty, doesn't change anything. But it only causes blindness and anger. And when you are angry and blind, you do not see what the rich are doing that is making them rich. So for you to be successful, you need to remove each and every sort and kind of complaining. Then when you have removed complaining from your life, then that means you're now focusing. You no longer have blindness. You no longer have that kind of thing of a covering that makes you not see what the rich are doing. Right? So I urge you today that make sure you stop complaining and take action. Thank you so much, guys, for this. Thank you so much for joining me. This is John Kuderos and I had Heartfelt Motivation. See you next Monday. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you so much.